Hi there, Brad with you to walk you through the brand new hard floor accessory kit available now for the Bissell HydroWave carpet washer. Now if you're new to HydroWave, it is Bissell's most powerful in the compact range of carpet washers, and it's going to allow you to wash out any stains or odours or any general dinge from your carpets and your area rugs without having to hire a professional or have to deal with horrible machines from the supermarket that are a bit smelly and gross, which have been used by other people, let's face it. So HydroWave, great carpet cleaner for that. But now it's even more versatile. You can actually pick up this hard floor accessory kit so you can use it to wash all of your sealed hard floors. So we're talking sealed timber, we're talking tile, travertine, lino, slate, vinyl, whatever the hard floor is, you could use the HydroWave on it as long as it's sealed. But the kit will come with a whole array of things for you, including your multi-surface formula. So you'll get a full size of the formula, which is able to be used across all of your hard floor types, plus your area rugs and your carpets as well. So you'll get a full litre of that in the box. In the box as well, you will also be getting your hard floor brush. So slightly different to the carpet one. This is using microfiber and it spins at thousands of revolutions to gently scrub and buff your hard floors. Plus you're getting the hard floor nozzle as well. So we'll show you how to attach these very shortly. Obviously with the HydroWave, that tray there is your clean out tray. So the machine will essentially clean itself after you've used it, which is brilliant. So for setting up for hard floor, all you're going to do is take your tank out of the back here. So this is where all of your clean water goes. So you're going to fill that up to the appropriate guidelines with your water and then top it up with your formula. You'll see the guidelines for carpet cleaning are on the right hand side, and you've got the left hand side dedicated to all the hard floor instructions there. So you're just going to fill that up and pop your tank into the back. I usually use warm water if I'm on tile. If I'm on timber, I might use a little cooler water, but certainly no boiling water in the tank, please, because floors just generally don't like that, and neither does the machine. So what we have here is the nozzle at the front for your carpet. So we're just going to lift that, and we're going to take that away. So there's actually a spot in the cleaning tray that you can pop your nozzle if you want to keep it there nice and neat and have it air dry naturally. You could also take the brush out. There's no screwdrivers or anything, which is what I like. It's a very easy machine to use. So we're just going to grab the hard floor brush and do the reverse. So we're just going to line up the brush, click it in, and we're going to take the nozzle and also line up the little nodules there and just listen for the click, and we're ready to go. So we're going to take the handle out. Just with a push of a button at the top there, and all of your controls are in the handle, including the trigger. So the trigger is what activates that solution. So you're not wetting your floor unnecessarily like you would be when using litres of water with your mop and bucket, or some systems that automatically dump the water. It's all trigger activated for you. What I'm going to do for example's sake is just tip a bit of orange juice on the floor here. So obviously this machine's going to be great for washing up any spills you might have from the pets or kids. But for general cleaning, we're not recycling that dirty water around, because what happens is when you turn the machine on, the vacuum starts. So suction is happening. The brush roll is spinning at thousands of revolutions to scrub the floor. And when I press the trigger in the handle, it's going to release that clean water and that cleaning solution. So you can see we have that suction taking up all the dirt, the brush scrubbing the floor for us, and so we're cleaning our floors in the best way possible. It's a really hygienic way of cleaning your floors and giving your hard floor, which can get quite dirty over time, a good deep clean. So think about this in the bathroom. Think about this around the toilet. Maybe just in those areas that just get a lot of dirt and a lot of traffic and a lot of wear. This will be great for deep cleaning those hard surfaces too. So once you're done, what you're going to do is just take your dirt tank out, which is where all the dirt goes. So that's what I like. The clean never meets the dirty water. You're going to take this lid, give it a rinse, and then the other part is the tank. You're going to dump the gunk outside, down the sink, wherever, and then rinse that container there. All the formula that you're using is biodegradable, so it is safe for pets, kids and asthmatics, and to be used across all floor types. If you have a question about the formula, feel free to shoot our customer care team a question or just post on this particular video if you have questions about the formulas. But essentially, the formula that you can use in the HydroWave on hard floor mode is the same formula you would use for spin wave or cross wave. Now, just on that note with cross wave Crossway's a different product. That will vacuum and wash your floor at exactly the same time, and it can take debris. HydroWave, I would liken it to a mop and bucket replacement. So vacuum your hard floors first to get up any bits like hair and debris and crumbs or whatever it is, and then use your HydroWave to wash the floor, okay? Because it's literally just designed to wash, not actually vacuum bits up. Now, when you want to clean the brush afterwards or clean the nozzle out, all you're going to do is use your cleaning tray. So I've just put a little bit of water in the front of the tray here. So that's what you do. Just a bit of fresh water is fine. And then pop it into there. Recline the machine as if you're going to use it. And now you're going to turn it on. So that's now going to flush out the system for you and make sure the brush is nice and clean. Make sure the nozzle's nice and clean for you. Then you're going to dump out the gunk, fold down your handle, wrap the cable up around the back, and then you can pop the HydroWave away for next time. So that's the HardFloor Accessory Kit, available now for your Bissell HydroWave carpet washer. Just head to bissellshop.com.au to grab yours, or head to your nearest electrical retailer.